everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, it's bad. The entertainment industry has lost another actress. Noxolo Maqashalala has passed away at the age of 44. The Dispatch reported that Maqashalala was found in her home in Honeydew on Friday. The forensic personnel reported that Maqashalala has been dead for a week. It's not yet clear what really happened to her. Noxolo played on SABC1 Intersections in 2010 and also had roles in SABC1's Generation, Diamond City and many more. Maqashalala was born in the small town of Mount Frere in Eastern Cape before moving to Grahamstown. Guys, 2021 is not our year, I'm telling you. It's bad news after bad news. We recently had the news of Menzi Ngubane's passing and now Noxolo. Like really guys, this is too much. May her soul rest in peace. May our Lord bless and comfort all friends, family and fans during this time of grief. Let's celebrate a beautiful life on the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload and I hope it won't be the bad news. Thank you.